The need to quickly engage with internet leads has given rise to the use of AI chatbots in our industry. The problem with AI chatbots, though, is oftentimes users can tell that they're talking to a robot. It's not personal, it's not genuine, and it's not authentic. That's why Chime built our AI chatbot using Google's machine learning algorithm. What that means is that this system constantly gets better. It coaches itself. It's learning. It's working on its scripting to sound like an actual human being behind the scenes. This makes it easier to turn a website visitor into a captured lead by your system that then is immediately qualified through texting. The leads that you begin working that are assigned from this system are already identified as either hot, maybe they're in a nurture category, and the leads that provided bad information, those folks are taken off the radar so you don't have to waste your time working on bad leads. Separate the good from the bad using artificial intelligence, know who you should work on, find your hottest leads using Chime's AI assistant. This AI assistant will engage your website visitors in a conversation on your website. It'll help identify their preferences, their timeline, help set up searches for you, and reduce some of the busy work that comes along with engaging with your new internet leads. This AI assistant is one of many features that we're constantly coming up with to ensure that Chime is the industry leader with new technology. We're here to grow alongside with you and to continue to make your tools the cutting edge of the real estate technology industry. Let's face it, we're not sure what technology may bring in the next couple of years, but rest assured the Chime development team will be ensuring that that technology is rapidly adapted into the Chime offering, made available to you, so we can continue to be the tip of the spear in the real estate technology industry. Drive your business forward to ensure that you have the latest and greatest technology at your disposal and that you can dominate your market while enjoying the lifestyle that you've earned. Fill out the form with your information so Chime can show you the capabilities of our AI assistant, of our CRM, of our IDX websites, as well as the lead generation solutions to take your business to the next level.